Very good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, very good morning. Today we are going to be discuss about the demo session of CPI developer. And the today's topics are what is meant by SAP CPI, why we need to use SAP CPI, what are the different types of integration tools, history of SAP CPI, differences between CPI and SAP integration suite, and types of integration scenarios. So we'll discuss all these topics today in this demo session. Coming to what is meant by SAP CPI. So firstly, the abbreviation of CPI is Cloud Platform Integration. And the definition of SAP CPI is it is used to integrate two applications to exchange the data between two systems or two applications. CPI is a middleware tool which is used to exchange the data between SAP to SAP system, SAP to non-SAP systems. And CPI is a part of integration suite. And integration suite is an integration service on SAP BTP. Okay, I will discuss this later. Okay, the second point I will discuss later. I highlighted this with a red color. I will discuss this later. Okay, coming to the first one. So the point is CPI is a middleware tool between two applications. It may be SAP to SAP or it may be SAP to non-SAP or non-SAP to SAP system to exchange data between them. Okay, let me give a real life example to make you understand this. Okay, and then I will go with the real time example. First, I will go with the real life example. Okay, so in India, we have different states and each state have their own native language. So Andhra Pradesh state have native language Telugu, Tamil Nadu, they will speak in Tamil, Maharashtra, Marathi, West Bengal, Bengali. Okay, now we have a person in Andhra Pradesh. So his name is Mahesh. And also we have a person in Tamil Nadu. Her name is Maithili. Mahesh knows native language Telugu. Maithili knows native language Tamil. So whenever Mahesh speaks in Telugu with Maithili user won't understand Telugu. Why? Because Maithili user doesn't know Telugu language. She won't understand what Mahesh is speaking. What Mahesh is conveying the message, Maithili user won't understand. Then what we have to do? Mahesh user has to learn Tamil. He learned the Tamil language in 2 months. He tried and he is now able to convey the message in Tamil as well. Whenever Mahesh user tries to speak with the Maithili user in Tamil, now she can understand. That's fine. For example, we have different state persons. Okay, example like Rohit. He used to understand Marathi. Example like Pallavi. She will understand Bengali. So Mahesh user tried for 2 months to learn Tamil and he is able to convey the message with Maithili user in Tamil language. But what if Mahesh user wants to talk with the different state users in their native language? It's very difficult to learn all the states' languages by Mahesh user. It's very difficult. It's very impossible as well. So that's why what we need to do, we need to use a translator. We need to use a translator. Instead of learning all the languages, if you use a translator, it's very easy. That means translator is a middleware which is used to convey the message from sender to receiver. Sender sending a message in Telugu and receiver is expecting the output in Tamil language. So sender is sending in Telugu. The translator will convert the Telugu language to Tamil language. And now my user can understand the Tamil language. So my point is to convey here, translator will receive the sender input and will translate to target output. What is sender input? Telugu. What is target output? Tamil. So translator will understand the sender input and will convert into target output. In the same way, Mahesh user is speaking in Telugu. The translator will convert for a Marathi user in Marathi, for Tamil user in Tamil, and for Bengali user in Bengali. So now you understand the general or real life example. Okay. Now let's go with the real time example. However, we have different states. Okay, in real time, we have different applications. SAP S/4HANA, SAP SuccessFactors, Salesforce, Walmart, SAP Ariba. In the same way, different states have their own native language, right? Their own native language means their own language. In the same way, each application will support different types of payloads, different types of data formats. SAP S/4HANA supports IDOC XML format, JSON format, and also XML format. SAP SuccessFactors primarily it supports JSON format and XML format as well. Salesforce support JSON format. Walmart support EDA format. SAP Ariba supports XML format. Okay, XML means extended markup language. Okay, CXML means commerce XML, extended markup language. EDA means electronic data interchange. And the final one is JSON. JSON means Java script object notation. So like this, each and every application is supporting different types of data formats. However, different states have their own native language. Okay, in the same way, different applications have their own data format supporting. Okay, now let's go with one example. We have a sender application called SAP S4HANA system, and we have a target receiver as Walmart. Sender application, SAP S4HANA is sending the data in the form of IDOC XML format, but receiver is expecting the data in EDA format. Okay, so these two systems won't connect directly. However, Mahesh user speaks in Telugu. Okay, he's conveying message in Telugu, but Tamil Maithili user doesn't understand the Telugu, right? In the same way, S4HANA system is sending an IDOC XML format. Okay, but Walmart doesn't support that IDOC XML. It is expecting in the form of EDA format. So that means these two applications are not going to be interact directly. Why? Because both of them are not supporting same data type format. In the same way, SAP S4HANA system is sending data in the form of IDOC XML format, and target receiver Ariba expects in CXML format. Walmart expects in EDA format. SAP SuccessFactors expect in JSON format. Okay, but sender is sending IDOC XML format. This IDOC XML format is not supporting any one of the target receiver. Okay, in that case, we cannot develop our SAP S4HANA system supported to all target applications, right? It's very difficult. It's very difficult to develop SAP S4HANA software supported to target applications data type format. It's very difficult. It is impossible. Okay, that's why what we are doing. We are using a middleware tool called CPI, Cloud Platform Integration. This CPI what will do? Sender is sending the data in IDOC XML format, and receiver is expecting, the Walmart is receiver, is expecting the data in EDA format. So sender is sending the IDOC XML format to CPI, and CPI will convert that IDOC XML format into target format that is called as EDA and will send to receiver. In the same way, now you can see sender is sending IDOC XML format to CPI, and CPI will convert target format, that is CXML format, to Ariba, and EDA format to Walmart application, and JSON format to SuccessFactors. I hope you understand the real life example and also the real time example as well. I hope you understand. Let me know have any questions. Any questions?
No.
Any questions, guys? Hello.
No, it's clear.
So my point is to convey here, S4HANA system and Ariba system, they can't exchange the data directly. Why? Because S4HANA system sending the data IDOC XML format, and Ariba system is supporting CXML format. So they can't exchange the data directly. So that's why we are using a middleware tool called SAP CPI. In the same way, SAP S4HANA is sending an data in the form of IDOC XML format, but Walmart expecting the data in EDA format. They can't directly communicate and they can't exchange the data directly. Why? Because two applications are supporting two different types of data formats. So that's why we are using a middleware tool to convert that data type. And also SAP S4HANA system sending an IDOC XML format, but SAP SuccessFactors expecting in JSON format. Again, two different data type formats. So they can't directly communicate and they can't exchange the data between these two applications. That's why we are introducing a middleware tool called CPI to convert the data into target receiver format. Got it, guys? Now you understand the definition of CPI. CPI is a cloud-based middleware tool that lets you connect SAP systems with other SAP system. SAP S4HANA is a SAP system with other SAP system. SAP SuccessFactors is also a SAP system. So this is S4HANA system, this is SuccessFactors. Both are SAP. But two or different applications. This is S4HANA system, this is SuccessFactors. And SAP to non-SAP, Walmart. And SAP to other SAP, Ariba. So that's what the definition. So it's a middleware tool which is used to connect SAP system with other SAP system and SAP with non-SAP system to exchange data between them. That's what the definition of CPI. Got it?
Yes, no.
Yeah.
And now you understand why we need to use CPI as well, right? Why we need a middleware tool? You understood, right?
Yes.
Now coming to different types of integration tools.
Subscribe for more content.